Widgets also get some changes with the new update. Before, widgets could only be found inside the notification center, but now you can add them to your desktop simply by dragging the widgets to your desktop. And if you can't use this feature, then you need to activate it from your settings. Go to Desktop and Dock, and here on this page, scroll down until you see the Widgets section. The Show Widgets option needs to be selected on your desktop so you can see them on your desktop or also in Stage Manager. You can style your widgets also from this drop-down list. You can either make them all colorful or you can leave them as all monochrome, like black and white, like this, or you can leave them as automatic. So when you are on another app, like currently we are on the system settings, we see them as black and white, but when you go back to your desktop, then they will become colorful again. If you click with your right mouse button on your desktop, you can edit the widgets, and here on the left side you can find the list of all widgets. You can use, for example, a widget like this Instagram widget, for example, of your iPhone, even if it is not installed on your Mac. So the Instagram widget is not installed on my computer, but I can access it because it is available on my iPhone. If you right click on the widget, you can edit its size by selecting either small, medium or large. You can remove the widget. You can add it back simply from this list. And if you choose this option, then we'll go back to this list here where we can find all of the widgets with also additional editing options. If you want to see some of the best new features of macOS Sonoma, then check out this video next.